Hello, good morning to y'all. It's Thursday. I got this shredded truck over here, Courthouse, in which I am going to visit to find out what their plan is next for Betty Buttcrack. Since, you know, they like to arrest you in one place and then lug you down to another, arrest you in Lompoc, take you to Santa Barbara, arrest you in somewhere else. I don't know. Anyways, let me go in here and see what they're going to do about it. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. What about yourself?
Pretty good. Just want to see if they can. I gotta put this in there.
And then just the hat. We have to screen the hat too.
Oh, the hat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
You can have those too.
Go ahead and step through. Thank you, ma'am.
My hair fell out like this.
Oh, good, man. Thank you.
Yeah, you get older and all kinds of stuff falls out, falls down your face, you know. Yeah, enjoy your beauty while you have it, because. Have a good day, ladies. You too, mister. Good to see you. Good. Oops, excuse me. Eight to 12. Holy matrimonious. Good thing I got up and got over here. Criminal? I guess that would be criminal, right?
There's only one window.
One window? Oh, okay. I'm pretty sure mine is criminal too. I don't know. The Lord will help me though. He's right up there. You see that camera up there? A very large camera up there. Just to remind you that they're always watching us, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Oh, here he is. He's going to court with me. You did end up in the same place as me, huh? Yeah, you got to get down here before they start issuing warrants and stuff like that. These people are pretty circus savvy. Yeah, they all work for the circus.
Records? No, question, I have an appointment at 10 o'clock with Tracy, 312E. How do I get up there?
To the 14th?
Yes, ma'am. For, county law.
Okay, to you. All right, thank you.
I need to get a copy of the,
They sent me back here, I went to the front, but you gotta come into the back.
This is
Open the
Is
door.
there somebody there?
Traffic tickets over here on this side. Morning. I just want to check on my criminal record that I have with you guys. Such as, no, I think I have a court date on the 11th, and I'm not too familiar with your system over here, and I don't want any warrants issued on my name.
Do you need paperwork with you? Or?
Yeah, I have several pieces of paper here on this issue. Yeah, they've given me quite a lot. I had to buy a filing cabinet. Here's some of them. That's just the tip of the iceberg.
It's I don't know, it's some sort of-
How are you doing this morning, ma'am?
I don't know. I'm supposed to be
Good, good.
20 F.
I like your necklace. It looks like little handcuffs right there. That's
No,
funny.
it's just holding.
Oh, it is?
Just
Oh,
the
that's
point
cute.
Holding on to
Little key.
the key and a little girl for my granddaughter.
Aww.
Because my badge is inside.
Yeah, I work for.
Oh, how cute.
private
Oh,
institute.
okay.
He's been
And it
asked
gets
to-
Ah.
hot every time.
but
Oh, it does?
I have
Oh.
to pick up
That's cute.
a copy of this case.
This one says
Granddaughter. Yeah, the one of them says the lady at the courthouse or in Lompoc. She's really nice. She helped me. She said I have court on the 11th, which would be Tuesday next.
Are you just checking to make sure?
Yeah, I was wondering if they dropped the charges. Because they should. The law was repealed in 2005, and I was trespassing on a public sidewalk is kind of, over the top. So
For divorce?
it might be dismissed by now.
Yes.
It would be in their best interest. Because I really don't want to sue the people of Santa Maria, Santa Barbara County. They're the ones that ultimately pay for those lawsuits. Unfortunately.
Right back in here? That's working right now. Sir?
So how old's your granddaughter? 9? Oh. That's cool. Granddaughters are the best. They're the sweetest.
Yes, you are scheduled for October 11th. That's
Oh,
8:30 in Department 9.
8:30 Department 9. What about the other one? I have-
This one says San Luis Obispo.
There's 2 that say Santa Maria, Santa Barbara County. That one right there, Santa Maria. Did they dismiss that other one? They're not going to dismiss any of them? I better bring my lawyer then, huh? Mi abogado. Por este waste of time. El waste. They got the name right in Spanish. Didn't they? The Spanish-speaking community pretty smart. A lot smarter than the Americanas. They're more family-oriented, which in God's eyes is numero uno. Around in this country, America, they like to put people in la Carson. Yo tampoco. Yeah, that's why I'm here. And they didn't even dismiss it.
So can
That's because they want to see Betty
where
Beck.
I want to send to?
They want to see me, so they keep doing this. Hello.
8:31 and 8.
Okay.
9, 7.
Okay, so you'll give me a copy of it, and I can take it.
There's a guy back
sweet.
there in the
Thank you.
office. That looks like that lady.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. They're both for trespassing, right?
Yes, but I'm checking the date because it showed one for 8/4, which is this one, the first one, and then the 9/7 one that is not showing, which is the second one,
It's not showing.
not showing yet. But it looks like 11/7.
11/7.
Unreadable.
Yeah. See, I have this whole notebook right here full of like research I've done on the schools and like the licensing agency for the schools, and then all of these corrupted officials and all of these school teachers that are. Look, there's 126 right here. 126 school teachers and priests arrested between San Luis Obispo and Santa Maria. Some of them were at the La Purisma Conception in Lompoc at the school, the preschool. and they're trying to call me something about me being, you know, going after kids and all that. That's just their way of trying to get me away from there, because I'm exposing their filthy, dirty world. So now I'm going to have to go to court for trespassing because they're trying to stop me from.
This one here, you could check with the DA's office to see if they received the report already.
Okay.
This is the case that's going in to court. Is this one right here?
The one on top?
The one on top.
Oh, okay.
This one was, and then the second
So
one
do I need to talk to the
on
public
9/7.
on 9/7?
Yes. But the court date is unreadable.
Oh, it's
Can't
unreadable.
tell if that's
Ahorita estoy
11/7.
en el.
Oh, it's unreadable? Okay.
7
Tiene que
or,
ser certificado.
you
Oh,
can't tell.
no, en la
You can't tell,
carta
huh? You
dice
can't read it.
récord criminal.
That's a cool looking ring. I like that.
Faded. It's kind of like faded.
It is, huh?
It looks like 11
Those things are hard to read.
because it's not pressing hard enough.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. They need more training.
You know where the DA's office is at, right?
Yeah, the DA. And so for the other one, do I need to talk to the public defender or?
When you go into court, you can ask for a public defender.
Oh, when I go in, not before.
Not before.
Oh, okay. But I can take my own lawyer.
Okay.
I can? The first time? Okay. All right. So that's good to know. I wanted to come in and check because I don't want any warrants after my arrest. I don't like being in La Carson.
Have a good day, okay?
It's very uncomfortable. Thank you. You too, ma'am. God bless you. See you out of jail. You too.
Okay.
Your turn. Yeah. Vaya con Dios.
Igualmente, digamos. Buenos días. Buenos días.
The DA's office is over here. I've been there before. So I got to go talk to him up these stairs over here. And you know, they're never around. Can't talk to the public defender until I get my first hearing finished. And then, but I could bring my own lawyer, you heard her. And so far no restraining order. Buck naked. Always being mean to Betty Buttcrack. You see how they all jump on there right away? They're into me, aren't they? I feel so famous. Esta famosa. Yo. This right here is the Sheriff's Civil Bureau. And this over here is Santa Barbara County. Yeah, they're busy in here. They got all these people in here committing extortion. Hello? Yes, ma'am. I need to speak to the DA.
Which DA?
I don't know, any one of them that can read this ticket.
Oh, can I see your ticket?
Who are you?
I'm the supervisor,
Of what?
the district attorney's office,
Okay, then you can see it. And what's your name?
Shamra.
Shamra? Okay, I'll show it to you then. Let me see. It's right in here. I have a few of them. But, you know. Oh, did I stick it in here? I just showed it to that other lady.
Thank you.
Oh, wait 1 second. Let me get it. Might have to put this thing down because I can't. Oh, I put it in here. That's why. Right here. I knew I put it somewhere convenient. These ones are the ones I gave to her, so I don't know. Like she said, I have a court date here, but she couldn't read the other one, and neither could I. The second one on there?
You have two separate ones?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give me just a second. I'm going to check them on my computer, okay?
Okay. Yeah, she told me to come over here, so she said I should come talk to you.
Not a problem. Just a second.
Okay. So, I don't want to put it on her computer, though. So I'll put it over here. Might be private information. Somebody on there. I don't want to have that for this nice lady to get in trouble for that. You know what I'm saying? She's over here working hard. No need to give them a hard time now, ladies and gentlemen. But I did want to show you my notebook that I showed you right here. That you don't think I have 3 or 4 of them? Oh yes, I do. Lots of information in here. Here we go, correctional confinement. More than 650,000 people are released from prison each year. They have to maintain gainful employment. The fundamental need to be self-sufficient, to contribute, support family, add value to security. Yes, ma'am.
This top one is filed, so you get your report on Tuesday.
Okay. That's kind of frivolous, isn't it? Trespassing?
This one,
No
is
response.
still pending, but the court date's not until November 7th. We haven't filed that one yet.
Because see how you can't read that?
Yeah, it's November 7th.
Okay. All right.
Do you want me to put it on sticky for you?
Is it on the top page right there? I think she wrote it down. The lady in Lompoc helped me with that. So she got it right?
Yes, she did get it right.
She did, okay.
So this one's Tuesday.
Yeah,
and
Deidre.
This one, we haven't filed it yet, so it's not with the court yet.
Okay.
It'll get reviewed. It hasn't been reviewed by the attorney yet.
Okay. Well, I think it's strange because I'm over here, I brought my notebook to show you that I'm doing research on schools, the licensing community, these Communify schools that the state of California opened. And
My recommendation to you, Ms. Richards, is
see all this? There's corruption.
report on Tuesday.
Oh, really? Okay. Yeah, because see, I have like right here, there's 126 priests from Santa Maria and Lompoc. There's a whole list of them.
Okay.
And they're dealing with your kids and mine. My grandkids and your kids. These people, there's a lot of them, a lot. And you're busy working. And I used to work for lawyers in LA, and I was always too busy to look at anything. And now that I'm looking, they're arresting me. And I'm like, why are you calling me names about me being a child abuser? I have no record whatsoever. If I was that kind of person, I'd have a record of that. And in my opinion, they're doing it to deflect, to get me away from there. They don't want to be looked at, and they are public employees, public officials, public, and they're in charge of our kids. They're commingling the preschools with the state-run schools because they want to be able to give the parents, the young parents that may not be financially in a position to make real good decisions at some time, like we all are, the opportunity to go ahead and have an abortion or give their kid up for adoption to the foster care system and all that. So that's why they're commingling the preschools with the K through 10 or K through whatever.
Yeah.
And so what they did was they closed down the private schools, the private preschools, because they don't have abortions in there and they don't want any competition because they want to be able to talk to these young mothers and lead them in the wrong direction.
Yeah.
And so they did all this during COVID. So who said that they can commingle these weirdos with the abortion clinics and all this stuff? In my opinion, that's murder. And put them in with the public and not even tell the public. They're not telling the public because anybody that I talk to about this, they don't know anything about it. But they're losing their kids to foster care for minor infractions. And it just happened. It just happened to a man out of retaliation. They took his kid. Did you know that yesterday a man killed 30 people? You did?
I saw on the news.
In whatever country that was? He was a cop. He got fired for using drugs and alcohol on the job and then retaliated. And that's what they're doing to me. And this cannot be happening in America.
So go to Department 9 Tuesday morning. That's the arraignment court, and I would just take all that paperwork with you, and you can let the judge know.
You think they'll listen to me?
Sorry?
You think whoever the judge is will listen to me, let me speak? Or
Yeah,
Let me-
they'll call your case and then you'll step forward and, the, judge is, in Department 9 is Judge Foley, it's a male.
okay,
So he'll, ask you how you wanna, plead your case and then you just let him know,
yeah, not guilty.
yep, just let him know that.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, trespassing on a public sidewalk. There's no law for that. So I don't know why they haven't dropped it yet. I don't even know how they could take it to court. Because the law was repealed in 2005.
Okay.
The penal code. So there is none.
Okay.
So I'll tell him that too. I'll take the law with me over there and stuff. Thank you.
Okay.
Do you have a card?
I do.
You do? Thank you so
You're
much.
very welcome.
I appreciate that, Shamra.
Yeah, not a problem. You have a good day.
You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, so now we know. Shamra Lopez. They didn't drop any of it. Okay, guys. So we're going to have to go to court then. Not guilty for trespassing. No, Your Honor, I'm not a child molester. I'm a 62-year-old grandma. So, when's the last time you saw somebody like me go to a school with a 9mm and take out 30 kids? Never. When's the last time you saw a 62-year-old grandma go to a school and take a little girl out of the school and kidnap her? Or a little boy? Never. Okay. So are you guys smoking crack in here, or? There's a Superior Court over there. So I have to come back here on Tuesday, folks. But I'll bring my notes, my papers, and possibly my lawyer. And you. I just took my phone in there. I didn't get any papers for a restraining order or anything. So those guys on my channel are, ill-informed. Very ill-informed. The one making negative comments about that I don't have a family that loves me. Wrong. They love me so much, you wouldn't even believe it. Huh. My family adores me. Okay, so shut up. Number 2, the auditors, all the other auditors that you're talking about don't want to work with me. They don't want to get together with me and do anything. They've already offered and contacted me, and that will happen when the time is right. I have stuff I have to take care of. They don't want to come over here with me. So anyway, your accusations of my being crazy, old hag, and all this stuff, you guys are strange, man. I mean, really, why don't you go look at yourself in the mirror and ask yourself this question? Why, just why, while they're watching you from here, and they can't provide you with the FOIA request that I gave them for this camera footage out here of these cameras? No. Where the guard over here attacked me, and they won't give me the Freedom of Information Act request. Hello.
Hello.
You got that? Okay. Freedom of Information. Oh, they're bringing a prisoner. Oh, great timing. Look. They take the prisoners in here. Yeah. Look. They have to go to court. I'll be praying for you, Betty Buttcrack. God bless you. Ta-ta. All right, so there we go. We took in the prisoners to go to court. I have to come back next Tuesday, so I'll talk to you all later. All right, leave me a comment, send me some good wishes and good luck, because I don't know why they haven't dropped the charges yet. I mean, that's kind of weird, don't you think? Well, the other one, they don't have anything. Good afternoon. They don't have anything on the other one, the one for the 7th yet. But they have one for the 11th, for the trespassing. And they're not dropping it. Look at this. This is where I was sitting when they attacked me. It looks totally different. Look at it. Wonder what's inside that window down there. See down in there? All these little windows. All right. I gotta go now. Go find a lawyer to bring with me on Tuesday. Anybody know one? All right, Anthony X, I went to the jail. Slow observer. We can gather and I'll help you out too. I heard you said you needed an assistant. I'll work with you for a couple of days. Be happy to. I think you're a man. So let's do it. Let's get together. We can have 2 cameras are better than one, brother. I love you all. Ta-ta.